Your new Samsung TV has arrived, and now it's time to install the stand. First, some safety precautions. It's a good idea to have a friend help unbox the TV and hold it steady throughout the process. And make sure the television has a stable foundation. We'll lay down the panel horizontally to start in this video, but some TVs will be vertical depending on the model. Also, be careful not to press too hard on the screen, and keep any protective padding in place until the end. Now, gather together the parts from the box and grab a Phillips head screwdriver. We'll first attach the stand base to the stand neck. Start by flipping down the locking tab on the bottom of the stand neck. Then slide the 4 holes on the stand base onto the pins on the stand neck and push downward into place. Flip the locking tab back up until it snaps into place. Rotate the stand assembly onto its base and remove the cable cover. We'll now attach the stand mount to the back of the TV panel. Flip down the 2 tabs on the stand mount. Align the 4 holes on the stand mount with the 4 pins on the rear of the TV panel. Slide the stand mount down and to the right to lock it into place. Then, lock by flipping up the 2 tabs on the stand mount. We can now attach the stand assembly to the stand mount. Flip out the tab on the back of the stand assembly. Align the 4 tabs on the stand mount with the 4 holes on the stand assembly. Slide right into place and lock with the tab as before. We're now ready to install the One Connect box so you can power up. Grab a friend to safely stand up the TV. Your TV will come with 2 different One Connect cables. It's best to use the longer One Connect cable if you want to store your One Connect box away from the TV, such as in a cabinet or entertainment center. But we'll use the shorter one to show how to mount the One Connect box to the back of the TV panel. First, attach the short One Connect cable to the rear TV port. Next, fasten the 2 provided screws to the back of the stand mount. Attach the power cable to the One Connect box and dress it along the groove. Align the holes on the back of the One Connect box with the screws. Slide down and securely fasten the One Connect box. Run the power cable through the guide on the back of the stand assembly. Attach the other end of the One Connect cable to the One Connect box. And attach the cable covers for a clean look. Now that your installation is done, hook up your cable box, game consoles, home audio, and other gear. Plug in and have a blast with your new TV.